The road surface, just want to continue to move forward and that way.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere.
Nope. Hey, 3 and 4, you guys want to close your intervals, get a little closer to us. We're going to go ahead and slow it down to about 4 to 5 miles an hour.
Fuck.
Pitch black almost. Freaking rocking the truck. Man, look over there in the light.
Pitch black.
Can't see anything.
And dust is getting in the truck.